You don't just hear it, you feel it. Once it gets you, you're hooked.
That country boom. Jones leans deep where the heartache stays. Trisha shines through the neon haze. Wynonna rolls with a fire inside. Keith cuts sharp on a midnight ride. Dolly laughs with a story hook. One more line and you're overtook. All country can't let go. All country can't let go. Stop, want more. Want more. Whoa! Luke turns up when the lights go down. Boots hit dust all around the town. Hands go up when the chorus drops. Whole floor moves and it never stops. Strings run wild and the fiddle cries. Shuffle feet in a perfect line. Every name in the rhythm flows. That's the sound that everybody knows. All country can't let go. All country can't let go. All night long on that song. Reel it in. 2, 3, 4. Feet don't stop. One more. Don't stop. One more. One more. Feet don't stop. One more.
This dance is called Hooked, choreographed by Gary Lafferty. It's a 64 count, 2-wall, easy intermediate level line dance. No tags or restarts in this dance. Section 1. Starting with right foot, touch right heel forward, hook across right foot, shuffle forward, left foot, rock forward, recover, coaster step. Section 2, right foot, rock forward, recover, quarter turn right, side chassé, facing 3, left foot, jazz box, cross. Cross, back, side, cross. Section 3, left foot, side chassé, right foot, rock back, recover, right foot, side chassé, left foot, rock back, recover. Section 4, step left foot to the left diagonal, right foot, swivel in, heel, toe, heel. Diagonal back, back, touch and clap, left foot, back, touch and clap, clap. Section 5. weave, side, behind, side, cross, right foot, side chassé, left foot, rock back, recover. Section 6, left foot, side, hold and clap, both side, hold and clap, both quarter turn left foot forward, facing 12, step right foot forward, pivot half turn left, facing 6, right foot forward. Section 7, left foot, rock forward, recover, coaster, step, right foot, rock forward, recover, coaster, step. Last section, left foot, rock forward, recover, triple half turn left, facing 12, step right foot forward, pivot half turn left, facing 6, stomp right foot together, stomp left foot together. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2 and 3 hold 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.